Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection in PS5. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, simply select the gear icon at the top, then go to network, select settings and select the option setup internet connection. Right here, in order to switch or basically set up a 5 GHz network connection, we need to press the option button from the controller, then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands and choose 5 GHz only. That way you'll only able to see all the 5 GHz connections in the networks found section. Let it load now. Okay, and there you go. In the networks found section we have our 5 GHz connection, so we can just simply select it and enter the password. After you enter the password, you will successfully connect to 5 GHz connection. And to confirm this, just get back from this window, go to connection status and select the option view connection status. Right here scroll, and the second last option you can see Wi-Fi frequency band in use is showing 5 GHz. It means that we have successfully set up our 5 GHz connection in PS5, and it is that easy. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.